What it do? So I'm back again. Told y'all I was gonna be trying to, you know what I'm saying, get these content videos out, because why not? Today I am home with my little one in the back being as irritating as can be. What I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna change my hair and switch it up. I have an interview tomorrow, so I'm personally just tired of looking crazy. Girl. All right. I've been doing the natural thing for like a week now, and I'm just over it. I'm ready to, you know, be a bad bitch again. I'm going to take the wig that you see behind me. I've worn it once, and the time that I did wear it, like, it wasn't bad. I have some pictures or whatever. I'm go ahead and put that on screen. It wasn't bad or anything, but it just wasn't popping how I really wanted it to be. I think it was like a 18 or 20 inch or something. It needs to be, does it need to be? Yeah, it needs to be washed. And what I'm gonna do, you know, is cut it into a bob, do the middle part bob look, get real sleek on them or whatever. And I'm gonna wear it for maybe like a week or something.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Come for you. They're not coming for my baby. They're not coming for my baby.
Whooped it. Bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese. I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they do I get the breeze, then it's adios. If I'm with your trees, then she give it though. When I see police, then we gang low. That's another piece, that's another zone. Ice in the VV, now she down to get treachy. I got all this water on me like Fiji. Bitch, I'm posted up with hats and the sleazies. They go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Open his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Up in the Zaza, they go straight to the Mata. Then I'm up in the chopper, hitting the cha-cha. Then I'm hitting his lata, then he dancing my cha-cha. Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie. Blue cheese, I swear I'm addicted to blue cheese. I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm by my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in a two-seat. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out. I'm back on bullshit, spin back with a full clip. They say I'm with a ruthless, and my shooters they shooting. I won't take it, they do it. Swagged out, familiar, we bringing them gas out. I still got some racks stuffed in the trap house. Off the 42, I'm blowing her back out.
Okay, so as you can see, I went ahead and finished my set it off braids. They're not really anything special. I'm gonna go ahead and get the back tied up and sewed down so that I'm bald headed. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the wig, and we're gonna do the big chop.
maniac, his chess games. But shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more Purple Rain Prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment, I stay expecting it. The pessimist, gold medalist, flush the magnums just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran or remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence of everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I even check, I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn. The boy is back, I never turn my back. I just slapped him, so now all that they see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that couldn't be attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the space, all that you need. There's no break. If you got time to waste it with me.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
all things above me. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Well, fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Just cut it all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. Just cut it all into my time. My time with you, man.
What did you? Yeah, I'm back. Actually, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's been like a good 3 days. I'm sorry, mommy. It's in your face. It's been like 3 days or whatever since I actually last recorded, but I have finished my hair. It is about 3 days raggedy. Actually, I had it like flipped down or whatever. At first, I had it flipped down like I said I was gonna do, and it was just, you know, regular bob. But I thought I might, you know, get cute today, take a couple pictures. So I went ahead and did like this little old time flip look. I'm gonna put some clothes on and just, you know, be cute for a minute. But yeah, this is the final look. Some old hair, made something new out of it. Like I said, it's 3 days old, so it is like not as fresh anymore. This is what we're giving. We're giving this. I thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. I got some ideas in mind. I love those who love me. And bye. See you on the next one. Say bye, Pootie. Bye bye. See ya.